Welcome back to my channel. My name is Blair if you're new here, and today we're doing a bake with me, actually two. I'm going to send you back in a minute. I did do some 4-ingredient cookies yesterday, so I'll share that with you. Of course, I will link recipes down below, and go ahead and take a look at those 4-ingredient cookies, which I'm calling peppermint hot cocoa cookies based on the ingredients I use, and you'll see that. This cookie's like a peppermint chocolate cookie. It's a recipe I found on Pinterest, which I'll share, but you basically just need a half a cup of vegetable oil, canola oil, melted butter, whatever, 2 eggs, chocolate fudge, cake mix. They recommend the dark chocolate. I couldn't find that. And then I've made this once before, but I did it with the Andes baking chips. I got this one because they didn't have the peppermint ones in the Andes mints. So there's like chocolate, marshmallows, and squares of peppermint. So I'm gonna call this the peppermint hot cocoa cookie. These are super easy to make. You literally mix all the ingredients together, throw it in the fridge for at least an hour, and then you bake it for like 7 to 9 minutes. They're very soft, chewy cookies. They are not hard cookies at all. So just thought I'd throw this one in here because it's super easy. They taste good, and it's something you could easily make on the fly. But I'm gonna go ahead and get these made and put in the fridge, and then we'll return to put them on cookie sheets. So like I mentioned, these cookies are really easy. You literally just mix all of this stuff together. And then you chill it for an hour in the fridge. When you go to put the cookies on the cookie sheet, I have found that a cookie scoop works best for these ones. It just makes it very quick and easy to get them made without sticking to anything. And then it said to bake them for 7 to 9 minutes. I found that you needed to bake it the whole time, otherwise they were so soft that they were just falling apart. Okay, back to today. So we're gonna make the second dessert, which is going to be a peppermint cheesecake no bake, which I mentioned in my grocery haul. I got all the ingredients laid out here, and I'm gonna modify it just a smidge, and I'll explain that. But let me show you the ingredients for this one, and then we'll get started on making it. So for this one, you need a chocolate pie crust, Oreo, whatever you want to call it, 2 blocks of cream cheese, some heavy whipping cream, peppermint extract, vanilla, red food coloring, powdered sugar, and then it does call for candy canes broken up to put in it and on top. I have these. I'm only going to put them on top because I don't want to break anyone's teeth by putting it in the cheesecake. But I think the cheesecake will have plenty of taste with the peppermint one. Okay, so to start, you're going to take your whipping cream and literally whip it until you have stiff peaks. And then you're going to set this aside. Next, you're going to take your room temperature cream cheese and your powdered sugar, and you want to mix this up so it's nice and smooth. I will say, keep in mind that this is powdered sugar, and yes, it will fly everywhere as soon as you turn it on, which is the mistake that I made. Once you've got this one all smooth, you're going to add in your vanilla and your peppermint extract. And if you're following the recipe directly, you would do some of the crushed candy canes into this. I decided to omit that. And then also your red food coloring, and mix this till it's blended well. Okay, and then the last part here, you're gonna mix in that whipping cream that you whipped up into this until it's blended and pretty much no white showing anymore. Completely forgot to mention that you do need regular Cool Whip as well. So with this, you're just going to make the fluff part that you made into the bottom of your pie crust. Next, you're going to take the Cool Whip and you're going to put that on top of your pie. Smooth it around the best you can. And then we're going to go ahead and add some more of the candy cane crushed up pieces on top to make it look pretty. Voila, another bake with me. There will not be a taste test because this is something that's going to a Christmas party tomorrow. So I will try to let you know in the description box whether they were good. I'm assuming they were, just from the tidbits I tasted as I was going along. As always, I hope you enjoyed, and I hope everybody has a blessed day.